Broccoli soup on the go today, really simple. We've got some loads of broccoli in there, got some carrots, potatoes, onions, garlic, and smoked paprika. Healthy, quick, cheap, delightful, vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we've got broccoli there, as you can see, that's the headline act in this recipe. What I've got there is about, well, there are 2 large heads of broccoli, so I think that's maybe 6 or 7 cups, maybe roughly. And then potatoes, carrots, onion and celery. Now you need the potatoes in there to give it some body. The carrots will do that a little bit. The celery is going to give it some lovely flavour. So 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of celery, just over a cup of carrots and maybe 3 cups of potato. You can really adjust this as much as you like really. 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then here I've got 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and 2 teaspoons of cumin. The smoked paprika is going to give it an absolutely wonderful flavour, so if you can get hold of that, it really is good. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a large pot. In there I've got some oil. I'm using an olive oil. I've got like 3 tablespoons. Let's put the 1 cup of onion in, along with the 1 cup of the celery, the carrot and the potatoes. Also going to add the 1 tablespoon of garlic, and we're now going to add the broccoli. It can all go in, everything goes in. And by the way, if you keep a bit of the stalk on, I mean some people sort of cut broccoli about there, keep the stalk on as much as you can, because that's going to also help give body in the soup. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes on an above medium heat. We're going to throw that around. Then we're going to get some spices in there and some liquid. Really simple. So just a few minutes there, just bring it together. We're now going to go in with salt, black pepper, and then we're going to add the 2 teaspoons each of the cumin and the smoked paprika. Just a rough little mix. And then we're going to add liquid. I've got water here. If you want, you could be adding stock. I'm just going to grab some more water. So 2 of these, it's a litre, so 2 litres of water in there. It's quite a lot of water. Like I said, if you want to use stock, you can, like a vegetable stock or something, but for me, water's good. Right, we're going to bring this to the boil. Once it reaches boiling point, we're going to turn it down a bit, get it on a rolling boil. We're going to let it go for maybe 9 to 10 minutes. What we're looking for is absolutely soft, baby food like vegetables. Okay, that's been going for a while. Everything's really nice and soft. Now we're going to liquidize this. I think that's going to be a bit thick, so we might add a bit more liquid to it. So look, I've got one of these fellas that goes in, and you can just do it in the pan. So let me get on with that, back in a moment. All right, fantastic. So I thought it was going to be really thick, but it's actually quite good. And by the way, if you haven't got one of these, buy one. They're brilliant. They're really cheap as well. Yeah, that's a nice consistency. I'm quite happy with that. Check that for salt and pepper. You might want to add a little bit more. But yeah, beautiful. Look at that. So just sprinkled a little bit of paprika on the top as a signature. That's it. Really delightful. Nice, easy, tasty, filling. I don't have any more words to say. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.